it to me. Yeah, working like a dog all day ain't working for me. Well, I wish I had a rich uncle that would kick the bucket. I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy